Volatility bot for pocket option. Once you have downloaded and installed your Volatility bot either onto your own Windows machine or a VPS, then you will need to add in the same email address and password that you used to register with Pocket Option. You will also need to send us your account ID number and then we will send you a license key. It will only work if you join Pocket Option via our link. Once you get the license key back from us, then you insert it and the bot will work. Only once you know that the bot is working, then you can fund it with real money. But do all your tests on the demo. The bot can be used on demo, real and tournament ID. Time interval is the same as charts. In the settings that we provide, we are trading on the 1-minute chart. Trade on news left unchecked means that we do not trade when there is high-impact news events. During those times, all trading is paused. All times are based on the server time and not your own time. You can also pause the bot at 3 different times. Possibly you may want to pause the bot at market opening times. It is an option. Minimum payout percentage. This is a huge feature of this bot. You set the minimum payout percentage that you will accept per trade and then the bot will not enter any trades if the payout percentage is below your set amount. This means fewer trades, but keeps you away from those lower payouts. We have ours set at a minimum of 75%. There are 4 money management options: fixed stake, martingale, compounding and Masenilo. We have provided you with settings for all the money management options to get started. How this setup is working is that it is working on the 1-minute chart and the trade expiry is set for 5 minutes. The factor is set at 3. The factor is the volatility factor. That is the 2 lines that you see on the chart. When some volatility enters the market and the candle touches one of the volatility lines, it then enters a trade in the opposite direction. It enters the trade so long as the payout is a minimum of 75% as we set in our minimum payout and it is not on a news pause. Our factor is 3 in this setup and you can see how narrow the volatility lines are. If we load a new setup from the settings that we gave you, and this time we choose a compounding with a factor of 8, you will see how much wider the volatility lines are. It is somewhat like a Bolinger Band, but different. Now the higher the factor is, the less trades that you will get, but the trades are good. If you want more action, then go with a lower factor number. The higher the factor number, the more you can trade per trade as you will have fewer trades. All our settings have been working well and we have traders trading multiple instances of the bot with different money managements and factor numbers. Just test on demo to see what is a good fit for you. We do not recommend going below a factor of 3. Now you can see how much wider the factor 8 volatility lines are. Flicking over to a bot that has been trading our Masenilo with a factor of 3 for the past 6 days, we see that we are in profit of $139. This is on a demo account for filming and explanation purposes, but the results and trades are identical whether on a demo or real account. We set our amount of cash that we wanted to be using in the Masenilo at $100. Our total number of events was set at 22 and we said that we hoped to win 11 of them with a payout of at least 75%. Then we just let our bot go into action and the Masenilo will work out the trade amounts for each trade. We also had it on a loop, so that means that after it has done 22 trades, it will just start a new cycle of 22 trades. The fixed stake money management and the Masenilo as well as the compounding are all good money managements. In the trade history window, the aquamarine trades are at the money trades or drawn trades, and what is good with pocket option is that it is neither a winning trade nor a losing trade. Slowly and surely is the way, and as you get more comfortable after demo trading, you can have multiple bots running with different settings. If we look at this US dollar, Japanese yen trade, we can see where the red candle touched the volatility line and a call trade was started with a 5-minute expiry time. You can also see all your trade history in your actual pocket option account.